Hey everyone, my name is Thomas. Welcome to my channel. Today is the Shining Gundam full helmet build series part 1. I've already released a couple shorts with some of the work that I've already done. So I've already got the main helmet there. We're just going to start hitting it with some filler primer, and then after that I'll just go through with some Bondo to fill up some of the rough spots, or there's a couple divots in there that I need to take care of. And a lot of these pieces turned out really nice and they don't need a lot of post work. Just a little bit of smoothing and then that's it. So let's get the priming. Alright, so today we're going to sand down some of the stuff that I've already did the Bondo spot putty on. I did it earlier today, so hopefully this should be nice and dry, so I'm going to sand it down to see how smooth I can get it. I'm not going to kill myself trying to make it perfectly smooth because you won't be able to see it if you're a couple feet away. You won't be able to see every single layer line. So here's the helmet already. As you can see, it's covered in Bondo spot putty. Tried to cover up that seam. If it's not covered, it's not the end of the world. I'll just sand it, and then hopefully that'll get covered with the layers of paint and the clear coat that I'm going to put on top of this. So let's get sanded.